Today we're going to be drawing our cat and our two little baby kittens. To start, I want you to write your name on the back of your artwork. Then flip your artwork over so you cannot see your name. And I want your paper the landscape way, so not the portrait, the tall way, but the landscape way. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw the head. Now when we're placing the head, we want to make sure we place it to the right, up kind of in the corner, so we have plenty of room for our body. If we were to do the head in the middle, we wouldn't have enough room for our body. We're going to be doing an oval shape, and I'm going to draw it lightly at first until I've got it right. Draw light until you've got it right, and then you can press a little harder. So you may not be able to see it right away. Once I've got it right, I'm going to go in and press a little harder. Now I'm going to draw my ears. Got a little detail on them. Next I'm going to draw the top of the body, and then I'm going to draw the two little heads. So to start the top of the body, I'm going to start kind of right below the ear. And I'm going to come around, and as I start coming around, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to draw two little heads. And notice how they're kind of a little bit apart, leaving just a little gap. They're about the same size. And match up so that line goes to the first head. Then I'm going to come around and do the tail. So you can see the tail's going to start here and come around and kind of be right at the middle of our kitten's head. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to wrap around just like that. I'm going to come around. I extend a little bit past, and then I'm going to make those lines meet up. Before I go any further, I'm going to erase just the top of this line right here. Now I'm going to do the other part of my body. I'm going to start kind of a little bit closer to the bottom of the tail. I'm going to come up to the head. Now I'm going to draw the arms, and I'm just going to really draw one full arm. I'm starting near, kind of doing a shape, and then I'm going to just do a little line like the other arm is kind of coming underneath. Now I'm going to go in and add some details. So I can start by doing the face of the mama cat. You know that cats have eyes shaped kind of like footballs or like almonds. Upside down triangle for the nose. Two kind of wavy lines coming out of the bottom. A mouth. And 2 to 3 whiskers. And then I'm going to just do the same for the babies. So I'm going to take a little time. I'm going to draw all of those same details for the baby kittens. Now, we want to make the baby kittens kind of look like they're peeking over the mama's tail. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw the arms and the paws. Now we have done all the details and we are ready to go over with Sharpie. So when you get a Sharpie at your table, you are going to just start tracing all of your details carefully with Sharpie, taking your time. We're pretty good at this. We've done this quite a bit before. Don't forget any of those details. Once you are done drawing your cat, we are ready to start coloring it. Now when you're coloring it, you want to think about a cat that you either have, that you've seen. We want to do realistic cats, so colors that would be true to a cat. So we're not going to do probably pinks or reds or blues or violets or greens, but more of the neutral colors. So brown, black, white, gray, maybe some orange. So I think I'm going to I made this one kind of black and brown and a little bit of gray. I think I'll do kind of gray and black for this one as well. Now you could do your nose and your eyes. I know that my cats both have green eyes, so I can do green for their eyes. But you do want to stick to true colors of cats. We're not having any fantasy cats or unrealistic cats. You notice how I'm coloring, I kind of am going to add some texture by the way that I'm coloring. So I'm going to color kind of the back and forth. And I'll keep going with the head, and then maybe for the body I will do gray, and I'm going to kind of go back and forth if I want to do stripes. Maybe a tiger cat. Kind of adding some texture. Maybe I'll do gray and black stripe. You can take your time choosing realistic colors and coloring your cat until it's all done.